Chapter beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my digital papers advent calendar 2024. I'm going to be doing a freebie a day throughout the month of December, so starting from the 1st up to the 24th of December, and then you get a very special one on Christmas Day, which you're going to receive a very large paper pack. Okay, so this is my way to say thank you to every single one of you for your continued support throughout all this year. And this is a series I do every single year on my channel. The freebie will be available on my Facebook group, so follow the link at the end of the video. So let's start and show you the freebie for today. Okay guys, day number 3 is this lovely page here, designed from one of my popular digital papers. I just dropped a page on the floor, which is called Vintage Botanical Collage. So it's a mini kit, so it's 4 pages, which basically, in fact, I can put it this way, you guys can see better. So it's a kit that is put it together, all images and ephemera. It's only 4 pages and it's only £1.50. It's part of my minis collection. And today, this is the freebie that you get, which I have used one of the backgrounds, and I've put on top some Victorian people. I want to say costumes, but they're not. They are real people from the Victorian age. I love Victorian age. I always say to Jamie, if I were born again, I would like to be born in a Victorian, because I love the costume. I love the manners and how life was back then. Not so much for women, because, you know, but I don't want to start a conversation about that. But yeah, I really love the history and the costume and the fashion from that. Let me show you where to find these. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, AntonioMakes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on file, you'll see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc, etc, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the 3 dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay guys, so throughout the month of December, you can use the code ADVENT, and I'll put here on the screen, ADVENT 2024, to get 30% off everything on my website, including the kit that you just saw today, but also my workshop, my ebook, all my digital papers, etc, etc. I'm going to go guys. Thank you so much for watching. Big thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, and I will see you tomorrow for another freebie. Mwah. Bye.